I'm Allison Mercadefi, educator for Unite Hair, and I'm here today to tell you guys about Unite's top 5 must-have products. First, we have Unite's 7 Seconds Detangler. This is going to instantly detangle your hair. It's a UV and thermal heat protectant, and it's perfect for all hair types. Next, we have Texturiza, our dry texture spray. It's perfect for adding volume and texture to your hair instantly, and it's great for shaking out beach waves. This is U-Oil, 100% argan oil, can be used on wet or dry hair. It's perfect for cutting down on your blow dry time. It's gonna mend your split ends, and it's also safe to use on extensions. It also comes in a lighter formula, the Blonda oil. This is Blonda shampoo. It's our toning shampoo. It's going to instantly eliminate any yellow tones that you have in your blonde, and it is completely gentle and safe to use on your hair. And it's even good to use to brighten your gray hair. This is Boosta Volumizing Spray. You're gonna spray it in your hair when it's wet, blow dry it, and it's gonna instantly add volume and fullness to your hair. And there you have it, Unite's top 5 must-have products.